Hi, my name is Merrill Chandler, and I'm America's leading funding expert. My team and I secure the lowest cost capital quickly, predictably, and most importantly, stress-free. This lets you focus on scaling your business and your real estate investment opportunities. I'm also the author of The New F Word, an Amazon bestseller that reveals insider strategies to make your business and personal finances fundable at the highest levels. I co-founded one of the largest credit repair law firms in this country, and that's where I discovered that deleting accounts and raising your credit score is not enough to get you approved. You have to become fundable. And what I love most about what I do is hearing from my clients about how they were able to spend more time and devote more resources to building their legacy and maximizing their impact project. And whenever I'm not working, I love extreme sports and hosting transformational events. The best way to reach me is by visiting my personal website, chandler360.com.